Okay. All I know about the overhaul is the new papyrus Pikmin. Otherwise, I'm going into it blind. This is gonna be my live reaction. Music. Yeah, I know about the intro. I'm a developer on this game, so oh, that's new. Whoa, hold on, let me full screen. This is the red prick. Whoa, hey, I made this little guy. I also made the purple Pikmin updated sprite. Okay, gotcha. Skins. Red. Okay. Space. Louis. WASD. Hello? Oh, really?
Louis.
I want to be Louis. So, yep, daily event skins. I made a couple areas in this game, namely this mushroom area. There's some another one, and outside. Oh, there's more. Hello, work in progress room. I wonder if it's gonna have to do anything with Okay. It's actually pretty cool so far. My mouse has been kind of bit buggy. Hello? Just what? Thank you. Quests. Like the entire menu gone is here. Pikmin makes spaghetti, tomato sauce. Spaghetti. Done. Papyrus. Pikmin. Sorry, I've been having a stuffy nose recently. Wow. I'm sorry, my mouse has just been glitchy. Look, it's my Pikmin. Okay. Now it's actually, you can click on him, but you can also spam enter while on top of him. 1K. Okay. What's this? Ah, okay. Fill 2. That gets me glass Pikmin. Codes. OMG. Bitsman. Hold on. I forgot the code. Crap. I haven't played this game in a while. This is my Pikmin. Yes, I made this updated purple Pikmin sprite. The other one just looked weird. Give me money. Yep. Another piece of glass. Oh, right. Now you don't just to the other side of the screen. Come here. 2K. I'm missing the white. Give me money. That is the wrong Pikmin. That's the purple Pikmin. I need to click the red Pikmin. Yeah, there we go. wonder how you got the weird Pikmin, because it used to be like just a hidden black ball, but I wonder how it is now. Okay, anyway, bye. I'm tired of this. Go developer mode. Yay! As you can see. Yep. Book. Yeah, this Pikmin's like are good. Anything new in the settings? Custom cursor on. Oh, that's cool. It'd be fun if my normal cursor was hidden. Oh. You guys want to see me? Look, it's me. Construction Pikmin. Yep. 90 billion, wow. I honestly cannot wait to see what else this holds. Yeah, okay. Bye.